Guys, Game God Master here, back with the second episode of Angry Birds 2. In the last episode, we went to level 4. In this episode, we're taking on the boss. You see, I already did it because I was so bored that I couldn't wait. So I did this already, but we can do it again, right guys? So if you want to see more, please be sure to leave a like. Oh, now first it was daytime, now it's raining. Good grief. You are snoring goodbye. Yay! We got an extra card, and it was the same guy. So this is the structure, and there's the boss for finding the ship, like we saw last time. He stole the egg on the first level, so let's get it. Goodbye. Shut pee-pee. My God. Almost dead. Break it. Attack. Goodbye. Yeah, we got the chef. So we beat the chef. Yay! Birdie. We got a new birdie. Oh. What? You. Now that we beat him, now let's go to level 6. That I actually never played, so let's get into it. Choo-hoo. So who are we going with first? And Chucky McBuffy. Yeah, we got a strike. Awesome. Yeah, we got a rocket. Okay, now. Oh! Okay. So we beat level 6. Now let's go on to level 7. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh yeah, boy. Strike. Got strike. Oh yeah, boy. We didn't get a strike. Let's go. Yay. Come on. Come on. Gotta get it. Get it. Come on. Come on. No. Okay, let's restart. Okay, now let's go back. I think that these loading things are going a little long. Okay, now let's go. Chucky Buffy! Yeah, got the tints. Strike. Let's beat it. Gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. This is a nightmare. Come on! How are you supposed to be there? How? Try. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on, Lord of the Strike Gods, please let us beat this. Okay, let's go. I'm not making it say. Duck. Come on. Oh yeah. Yeah, birdie. How we beat this? Okay, next level. There's the boss, the boost button. Now let's go. Gift. I just want the present. You gotta be kidding me. Dutch. Just shot that thing, that big thing. That big iron stone stick. Let's go! Yeah! Woo! We got an extra card. I found a gift. I found a gift. I found a gift. So I think we could do the boss and then one more level after the boss. So because it looks like we still have some time. Okay, hope we can do this fast. Yeah! Yeah! Okay. Come on! Yep. Okay, I'm done. What the heck? sanctuary. I'm gonna kill you, pig. Oops. Okay, I'm done. Aww, we didn't make it. Okay, so I guess we can do the boss and then one more level after the boss, and then we'll call that a video. Or should we just do? Let's just do the boss. Okay, let's go. Yeah, destruction. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm done. Hamna. Let's defeat the boss. Beat the boss. Attack. Okay, now. You! Goodbye. Where did you go? Oh my. He went backstage. What? He went backstage. Okay, let's just continue. Let's go. What do we do? Like, we have to give up. We have to, because how the other way we can beat him? We can't go backwards. Okay. So I guess we'll have to beat him this time. And that. Yeah. Okay, now I'm not falling for anything. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Want some of this? Want some of this? Yes. Oh. Goodbye. Come on. I want you to die so bad. Come on, please die. Just please die. Fall off the stage. Yes. Yay! He's done. Okay. Yeah, we won. Yeah, we won. What? King Pig! I guess we'll fight him in the next episode. If you like this episode, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. So after this loading, after I hit the X, I'll see you next time. Bye!